Good afternoon, it's Shelley from Papercraft Memories with Shelley in a cold wintry day in Hobart, Tasmania. So I just thought I would share with you today one of my favorite things. I love kits. I love when everything is included, and I want to show you this really super cute one with a beautiful blush and gold. So this is the Pretty Party Kit, which actually was released last month, but it's still around and available on my website, and they're ideal for those that would like to get started with making cards or are a bit time poor and just would like to be able to pull out a box and not have to pull out all the craft supplies. So they're really great for those that don't have many supplies, because everything you need is in the box. So let me show you what's in the box. So first of all, I'll show you the cards. So these are the 3 cards that you'll make. And these ones have been made as per the instructions, and you get step-by-step instructions. So that's the first one, which is really sweet. I love how it's got the beautiful pattern on the back, and they're really good quality cards. Then there's this one here. I love how it's got some 3D, so you get your foam dimensionals so that you can actually build up your elements, and it also has some little gold sequin. And then this is the third one. So again, that has been propped up with some foam tape or foam dimensionals and the little sequins. So what do you get in the box? So these are the little boxes we have. We have lots and lots of them, all different themes, and this is what's included. So I had a class here today, and I had 4 lovely ladies creating kits. They're all experienced crafters, but they just said how nice it was just to come along and not to have to think too much and just be able to copy and create some beautiful cards. So you get step-by-step instructions. So here's the instructions for this one, and again it shows you step-by-step how to create and what to do. So let me show you. So this is what you'll get. You'll get a complete stamp set, so a little stamp set that you can use over and over again. And you also get a little Stampin' Spot ink spot. This colour is Cajun Craze, so that's one that you get that matches this kit. And then you get your kit all together. See how you have your foam dimensionals. You have a little block, so like so. So if you don't have any tools, you have a little block, your stamp, ink, your sequin, your envelopes, and your card bases, and then you have the step-by-step instructions. So let me set that one aside, and as I said, I've got the instructions there. So you can see here's a little Stampin' Spot. And what I thought I might do with you is I've got one card that I haven't finished, but then I want to show you a page layout that I also created. So I made 2 sets of cards as per the instructions, and then I made a page layout, and I'm really happy with it. So I thought I'd share it with you. So with your card base, because I've already done this, I don't need the instructions. Well, she says she doesn't, so see how we go. So first of all, you're just going to put some foam dimensionals on the back, like so. Oh, did that a bit too close, didn't I? And that one is just going to go there. And then this one is going to go over here. So it gives it, as I said, some dimension. Then we're going to tape a gold banner that's included in the kit as well onto here. And then we're going to stamp. So I've already placed, have I placed? No, I haven't. So just onto the block, you're going to put your congratulations. Now, because I have the full ink, I'm actually using my ink pad rather than the spot. But if you don't have ink, it's great that you will with a little spot. But because I have already got the ink pad colour, I've just put out my ink pad. And then you're just going to stamp up your congratulations. And then once you've done that, you'll clean the ink off and put it back onto your carrier sheet. So there's your carrier sheet there that has a balloon stamp on it that I haven't used yet. Then again with some more foam dimension, I'm going to pop that up. like so. And then with these cute little gold sequin and another of my favorite tools, I'll take your pick tool, I'm just going to pop on some sequin. Look how quickly this card has come together, and it is so pretty. Like, honestly, anyone would be happy to get that card, I'm sure. So there you go. 3 cards that you can make very quickly. Buy 3. So you actually get 9 cards in the pack. Now, what I want to show you is what I created. Instead of making up one set of the cards, I created a page layout. Oh, and here's the envelopes. So see how they're all really nice as well. They've got the gold inside. They're really a nice quality. This is a beige color, which is really pretty. But I might have to move my camera out. I decided to make a page. So I'll just take my camera out and you'll probably see my messy desk. So I, as soon as I saw this pack, I thought, they're my colors. I love blush pink. And I put out some photos from my 50th birthday because I knew that the color combo would work. So this is one side of the page layout. So you can see that I've actually cut down the card bases here to add to my layout. I have used the addition of a sheet of cardstock. So I can't remember what color that was that I used. And I also did pull out one of our new paper packs. I think it's called the Everyday Essentials, which is in our current catalogue. And it had this beautiful pale mauve pink piece as well, so that seemed to go perfect. And you probably can't see quite the double page there, but I've just basically put 6 inches on one side and 6 inches on the other. I've added a bit out of my stash of gold, and I've just added the elements that you would have put onto a card. So how sweet is that? I'm really happy with that. It went perfect with my rose gold and blush balloons that I had for my 50th, and my beautiful cake that was made. Look at this stunning cake that was made by my sister, and it had white roses and it had like rose gold macaroons on it and the glitter title. So I thought these colors were just perfect for that. So there you go. I've even used a time to celebrate, which is one of the greetings on the stamp set for the card, and added some little sequin as well. Added a little bit of journaling because this will go in with my other photos. And yeah, a double page layout and 6 cards later. I was really happy with that. And the great thing is now I've used everything in that kit. I have, look at that, so pretty. And then I have a nice stamp set that I'll be able to use on some of my other projects, and a little block and stamp set to use as well. So make sure that you check out our kit collection, which are available on my website. There is so many different themes. There's even some great ones at the moment reduced down to like $12.50. So check them out, and they're great gift ideas. They're great to take in the caravan, even on the plane. So they're great for on-the-go crafting. Thanks, ladies, for joining me. Bye.